and welcome to the show My Launch. The other day I was playing a word game with my friends where one of them shot me a word and I had to tell them another word that came to my mind immediately. This gave me an idea for the theme of today's show. What comes to your mind when I say popular music? To my mind, I think David Guetta. Today, to talk about popular music with a focus on Indian pop music, we have three stalwarts of the music industry. First, we have today with us the talented Sunidhi Chauhan. So tell me, Sunidhi, what do you think about popular music?
Anushka, I think popular music is anything that appeals to the viewers. और किसी भी गाने को हिट होने के लिए उसे ऑडियंसेस के दिलों तक पहुंचना बहुत ज़रूरी है और इसलिए आजकल कोक स्टूडियो जैसे शोज काफ़ी हिट हो रहे हैं.
Next we have on the show the queen of offbeat music, Miss Usha Uthup. Welcome to the show, Usha ji. According to you, which Indian songs would be considered as pop songs?
For me, it'll be like songs like शीला की जवानी, कोरा बरदी, मुन्नी बदनाम हुई. ये आजकल के गाने सबको पसंद आते हैं. They're very trippy and what beats are very catchy. So उन वजह से सबको बहुत ये गाने अच्छे लगते हैं and it's becoming very popular in that case.
So tell me, what do you think is basically the main mindset of the people while they listen to music?
I think basically today's generation they love all sort of music. I mean उन्हें कुछ भी सुना दो, like a Western music or you can say Indian classical or Hindustani. They love everything.
Let's see what Hardcore has to say about the changing trends in music as well as her own music.
Yo guys, what's up? I think my music is really popular because it's really youth oriented and people really accept whatever music is thrown at them. My rap is really funky and trending and it really connects well to the youth, you know. They really like my bindas attitude and the fans love me for my music, for my work, and it works well.
There have been criticisms from old school maestros that pop film music is destroying the essence and beauty of Indian music. Songs like Bunni and Jalebi Bai render no meaning through words but only have ample of skin show. So what do you think?
It's very true that to a great extent, Bollywood songs of the current generation are so similar, they almost seem like a repetition. They're becoming increasingly replaceable and forgettable. But I see a certain decline in the influence of Bollywood music.
Which genres of music do you think appeal to the youth of today?
I think today's youth along with Western music also love Sufi music. Like A.R. रहमान जी के गाने और कैलाश खेर जी के गाने ये सब हिट होते हैं, मतलब the youth is listening to them, right? And like the Western music like contemporary rap and all, it's already becoming a rage.
And this is Dhanush's take on the response he got for Kola Very D.
I made the song in 6 minutes and I was overwhelmed by the public response I got. I think the lyrics of the song were easy and colloquial. That's the reason the youth could relate to it. The tune of the song was like quite laid back, slow and cool. The beats were very catchy. So I think that's what made the song quite hit. Yeah.
And now we have in our midst one of the most regarded singers of the industry, Miss Kavita Krishnamurthy. So ma'am, tell us, what is your view about the changing trends in music?
Well, I'm not particularly against the fact that popular music is being so inculcated in Bollywood these days. That is the latest trend. But I believe to a certain extent, the essence of lyrics and words are lost. It's commercializing music by way of having very quirky yet meaningless lyrics. So I don't really enjoy singing for Bollywood much these days as I used to before. Old songs, उनके कितने मतलब होते थे, but to a certain extent these days I don't really like it. I don't really enjoy it. That is the little bone of contention I have against Bollywood music of today.
Now, let's see what Bakpi Da has to say about plagiarism.
सोचना क्या, जो भी होगा देखा जाएगा। मैं भी प्लाजियरिज्म का विक्टिम हूँ। जेनिफर लोपेज, वो मान अस्ती उधर, उन्होंने मेरा गाना चुराया था। एंड ये डॉक्टर ड्रे से मैं केस जीता उस दिन ऑन दिस सॉन्ग। कलियों का चमन जब बनता है, कलियों का चमन जब बनता है, थोड़ा रेशम लगता है, थोड़ा शीशा लगता है, हीरे मोती जड़ते हैं। वही गाना वो उन्होंने चुरा लिया मेरे से और मैं उनसे जीता ये लॉ केस कोर्ट में। मुझे लगता है प्लाजियरिज्म बहुत नोटी क्राइम है, बहुत नोटी क्राइम, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए। और बस अभी बंद करूंगा मैं अपना इंटरव्यू। मेरा एक शानदार गाना है, उलाला 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 उलाला, तू है मेरी फैंटेसी।
Popular music because I connect with it well, and it's also as a freedom of expression because music helps you just be yourself and makes you do weird stuff.
Well, music actually depends on the mood of people. So whenever I'm in a sleepy mood, calm, soothing mood, when I'm traveling or after you're tired or something, I would like to listen to slow music, which soothes the ears.
I like popular music because it's catchy. You really don't need to take an effort to go along with it. And I think any kind of popular music, maybe English or Hindi, if you're in the mood it just goes along with you, it eases you out in a way.
I love popular music because it's very catchy and I can dance to it, and everyone can sing along, and it's just fun, especially when we're out dancing. You can, it's the most entertaining songs. I don't like popular music in Bollywood. I feel that it's too mainstream and the lyrics are often absurd and abusive. There are a few songs that I like. I won't say that I don't like it on the whole. It's a good listen to when you're watching a movie, but beyond that, in my free time when I'm traveling, I rather listen to English music, or for that matter, even Hindi music that's not mainstream. There are many indie artists coming up right now, which are really good, so I rather listen to music that makes more sense.
I love popular music a lot, focusing on the western side but not the Bollywood touch to it, because I believe in Bollywood it's not more like popular, it's more like it's the old songs that been redone again and again and they're presented, so that doesn't create like a popular thing to it. It's like David Guetta or Eminem or anyone, they have their music which have a different kind of a touch and feel to it, so I really like that kind of music. That's more like a popular thing that I'll add on to it.
After a long day when I come back home, I would want to relax and listen to something that is easy and that goes on with the flow, and probably something that is trippy and not serious. So I like popular.
I think we've had a very interesting show here today. Thank you for joining and interacting with us and clearing up so many notions we had about popular music. Thank you and a very good evening to all of you.
your take on music play?
Rolling. Action.
Hello and welcome to the show Melange.
Action.
Hello and welcome to the show Melange.
Rolling. Action.
So tell me, what do you think is basically the main mindset of the people while they listen to music?
Action.
Rolling. Silence! Daddy!
Arey, you don't have to say anything.